Why do you need a biological shield in nuclear plants? In nuclear power engineering, a complex of structures and materials surrounds a nuclear reactor and its unit, the purpose of which is to reduce radioactive emissions to a biological safe level. A biological shield is designed to absorb neutron and gamma radiation. The perfect answer to this question would be the biological shield absorbs neutron, gamma, and beta radiation and protects living things. What is a positive displacement pump? A positive displacement or PD pump moves a fluid by repeatedly enclosing a fixed volume and moving it mechanically through the system. The pumping action is cyclic and can be driven by pistons, screws, gears, rollers, diaphragms, or vanes. The answer to this question would be a positive displacement pump causes a liquid or gas to move by trapping a fixed amount of fluid or gas and then forcing or basically displacing that trapped volume into the discharge pipe. These pumps give a non-pulsating output or displacement unlike the reciprocating pumps, and hence they are known as positive displacement pumps. What keeps the shaft in floating position or floating condition in hydrodynamic journal bearing? The answer to this question is hydrodynamic pressure developed in the lubricant keeps the shaft in floating condition in hydrodynamic journal bearing.